a professional in development and climate change evaluation, and this is the place to be, to learn, to meet with the key movers and shakers in this area.
Being surrounded with the peers gives opportunity to gain more insight and new tools, new methodology, new approach of how to get involved when doing the evaluation.
There's a lot of exchange and knowledge happening here in the conference, and it's also supporting the idea that evaluation belongs to the communities, to the stakeholders.
The skills from very experienced evaluators, people who have worked over years. This is something that I've captured from here, and this is something that I'll translate back in my work in Kenya.
I think the main topic that I feel I've learned about is transformational change.
Transformational evaluation. It's about bringing the new insights to the work of evaluation as we're doing in a developing country with many challenges.
Our evaluations practitioners in Indonesia actually, they need to learn more about transformational change.
In Kenya, I work with a bunch of innovative and technology companies. The culture in innovation and tech is more of you take risks, you move fast. So there's never been like looking back and evaluating. So we've been trying to have kind of a meeting point, see if we can bring monitoring and evaluation into innovation.
I've been doing some evaluation in the past using this remote sensing technical satellite data, and it was interesting to hear different perspective and more the technical monitoring evaluation experts.
And other partners have been really aware of the importance of including and giving voice to the young emerging evaluators for this conference.
And we're sharing very unique experiences, which I think I will share with my team back in Uganda.
Not only did we have very relevant topics, but we also brought a momentum of energy, of urgency.
Evaluation of transformation required transformation of evaluation, and that was the key theme of Michael Padden's presentation, which was continued during many of them.
Singing and having common words that we can understand and from different perspectives, but we can apply in our own context when we're going back home to our own practice. So I think it was good to have this session at the end of the conference.